Well, this time we're breaking down one of the most important books on money ever written, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. And as I always do, I'm bringing you the 10 main ideas, cut sharp and straight, so you don't just hear them, you live them. These aren't theories. These are principles that can change the way you see money forever. Learn them, keep them with you, and apply them in your life. Because the difference between rich and poor is not money in the pocket. It's knowledge in the mind. Now, pay attention, and let's begin with number 1. The rich don't work for money. Most people work to earn a paycheck. They trade hours for dollars, and they die tired and broke. The rich flip the script. They don't work for money. They make money work for them. They build businesses. They invest. They create systems that earn while they sleep. If you're working only for a wage, you're stuck in a cage. If you want out, you need to shift your mind. Don't be the worker. Be the owner. 2, assets versus liabilities. This is the backbone of the whole book. The poor and middle class buy liabilities and call them assets. A car, a big house, shiny toys that drain their pocket. The rich buy true assets, things that put money into their pocket every month. Real estate, stocks, businesses. The difference is night and day. If it takes money out, it's a liability. If it pays you, it's an asset. Learn this, live by this, and you'll never stay poor. 3, the importance of financial education. School teaches you algebra and history, but it doesn't teach you how money really works. That's why doctors, lawyers, and engineers end up broke despite high paychecks. The rich know financial education is the real key. You must learn about investing, taxes, debt, and markets. Knowledge about money multiplies money. Without it, no matter how much you earn, you'll lose it. Get educated, not just schooled. 4, mindset is everything. Poor Dad's mindset was about safety. Go to school, get a good job, climb the ladder. Rich Dad's mindset was about freedom. Learn how the ladder works, then build your own. One way keeps you stuck, the other way sets you free. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how you think. A poor mindset sees obstacles. A rich mindset sees opportunities. Shift your thinking and the rest follows. 5, learn the language of money. Money talks, but most people don't understand the language. Terms like cash flow, ROI, leverage, and passive income are foreign to the poor. The rich learn to speak money fluently. They know how to read financial statements. They know how to see opportunities in numbers. If you don't speak money, you'll always be taken advantage of by those who do. Learn the language, and the game opens up for you. 6, work to learn, not to earn. The poor chase higher paychecks, while the rich chase skills. Rich Dad taught, every job is training. Sales teach you persuasion. Failures teach you resilience. Investments teach you patience. Don't just work for a paycheck. Work for what you can learn and leverage later. Skills compound into wealth. Money without skill disappears. 7, taxes and debt are tools, not traps. The poor fear taxes and avoid debt. The rich learn to use both. Taxes crush the employee, but reward the investor. Debt destroys the careless, but empowers the smart. Rich people use debt to buy assets and pay less in taxes legally by using corporations. If you understand the system, you can beat it. If you don't, the system will eat you alive. 8, fear and greed control the poor. The poor are slaves to fear and greed. Fear keeps them trapped in jobs, chasing security. Greed pushes them to spend every time they get a raise, buying things they don't need. The rich control fear and greed instead of being controlled by them. They don't run from risk. They learn how to manage it. They don't blow money, they invest it. Master your emotions, or money will master you. 9, the power of entrepreneurship. Employees trade time for money. Entrepreneurs trade ideas for wealth. Rich Dad hammered this truth. Owning a business is the fast track to freedom. You can't save your way to wealth on a paycheck. You need leverage. Businesses create leverage of systems, people, and capital. Don't settle for being an employee your whole life. Build, own, and scale. That's how you break out of the rat race. 10, money is a game. Learn the rules. The poor think money is survival. The rich know money is a game. Every game has rules, and if you don't know them, you lose. The rules of money: buy assets, reduce liabilities, use debt smart, pay less tax legally, and make your money multiply itself. Most people never even learn the rules, so they stay trapped. But once you learn, you can't unlearn. Money is a game, and you better play to win. And that's it, the 10 powerful lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Don't just nod your head and walk away. Apply them. Start looking at your money different. Stop buying liabilities. Start stacking assets. Stop working only for a paycheck. Start making money work for you. The ones who learn this win. The ones who ignore it stay trapped. So take these ideas, sharpen them, and walk into life financially smarter, stronger, and freer. And if you think this book shook you, wait until the next one, because in the next video, we'll break down another book that doesn't just change how you earn, it changes how you live. Don't miss it.